Hi everyone, I'm Nguyen MKT, a digital marketing automation expert with over 10 years of experience helping thousands of clients automate and scale their Facebook systems. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically post content to your Facebook pages using MKT Page, an essential tool for online sellers, affiliate marketers, and agencies. If you're currently posting manually to multiple pages or trying to keep content consistent across several fan pages, you know how time-consuming and inefficient it can be. That's why MKT Page exists. With MKT Page, you can easily post to multiple pages at once, schedule posts ahead of time, manage all your content, and track performance, all in one place. Let's go through it step by step. First, after downloading and installing the software, log in with your MKT account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free at fanmemmkt.vn. The interface is very user-friendly and works great even for beginners. Next, you'll connect your Facebook account that manages your fan pages. Once connected, MKT Page will display all your pages so you can select the ones you want to manage. Then, create your post. You can enter text, add images, videos, product links, emojis, hashtags, anything you need for your campaign. This is especially useful for dropshipping or affiliate marketing. Now let's schedule your post. Choose a specific date and time, or create a recurring schedule like one post every day at 8 a.m. You can post immediately or queue multiple posts to run later. MKT Page handles it all automatically. After that, select one or more fan pages you want to publish to and click Start Posting or Schedule. Done. Everything will run as planned. To monitor performance, go to the Post History tab to check post status, whether they're published, pending, or failed. Everything is clearly displayed. Beyond automation, MKT Page helps you keep your page content fresh and consistent, which boosts engagement and builds trust with your followers. This tool is perfect for online shop owners with multiple fan pages, affiliate marketers, dropshippers, and marketing agencies managing content for clients. If you need a simple, effective solution to manage and automate Facebook content, MKT Page is the tool you've been looking for. If you'd like me to help you install